Hi everyone, hope you're all keeping safe. Here's a look back at making a spiral planter, and apologies for the music if you don't like it. I originally made this for the Sterling Davis pallet challenge way back when, and so obviously, first of all, I'm ripping apart a pallet. Of course, you can save an awful lot of time by buying your wood from a local lumber yard or a big box store. Once you've cut 60 lengths to the same size, you can start making up your squares. I'm pinning some buttons to the outside here just to keep the base square, and then I'll glue it and put those pieces together. Hold those pieces in place with just a couple of shims glued on the inside, and then we can apply some glue and start building up the layers. A few pins will just hold everything together until the glue goes off. Now just make up a base that will fit into the bottom square. Paint with your chosen coloured preservative. And attach the base with a few screws. It It makes a great planter, but you could also turn it into a table.